Yo, what's up, everyone? My name's Dave, and you suck at programming. All right, today we're going to talk about a really fun subject. We're going to talk about command substitution in Bash. All right, we're going to talk about backticks. You might have seen them. They look like this. And that might be a little bit dangerous to run the shell, but let's do something like this. We can echo, and then we can run echo high, and then we can close it, and it will print high. That's because this echo high is being run, and then the output of that is being substituted as an argument to this echo. A little convoluted, this example's a little contrived, but just showing you the basic gist of it. You might have seen these backticks. I'm going to show you why they're cringe. All right, let's jump in. So let's look at the first script we have here, cringe. Hello, your kernel is uname. Now, will this run? Of course it'll run. Hello, your kernel is Darwin. Awesome, I'm running it on my Mac. That makes perfect sense. That doesn't seem that cringe, right? And in that specific example, no. There's really nothing cringe about that, but there's a better standard you can use, all right? We're going to go over here to Cringier. Why is this cringier? Well, look what's going on here. We're making a variable called example, and we're storing it to the output of this command, this entire command. We're going to echo this entire thing. So the variable will be set to echo your name is, and then you can see the who am I command is being run here. This whole thing is being stored as a string called example, and then we print out example. So what happens? It might be easier to show this example just by running it. Your name is Dave. Cool, it ran the who am I command and it got my name. My name is Dave. Awesome. Why is this cringy? Well, we have a backtick here, and then we have nested backticks, so as you see, we have to start escaping them. And if we were to have another nested in there, we'd have to start escaping the backslash, which escaped it, so we'd have 3 backslashes, and it just grows, and it's bad. And, oh man, there's a lot of things that can go wrong with that. It can get very confusing. You can have unexpected side effects when we start using backticks. So let's look at a little way to make this cleaner, all right? Let's jump into O2, and as you can see, there's 2 examples here. Your name is who am I, and then down here there's a variable called good, and it's your name is who am I. So what's the difference here? Well, there's a different syntax. We can use the backtick syntax if we want to, but we can also use this syntax. This syntax is where you do a $ open parenthesis, and then anything in there will get executed as a command, and then close parenthesis when you're done. Why is this better? Well, it's really simple. In this example, you can see when you nest it, you don't have to escape anything. We can just open up another one of these here, and it's like a stack. We just stack these on. If you've ever done that, you know, the CS program where you had to write a calculator, that's what we're doing. We just keep pushing these on the stack, and then every time we see a parenthesis here, we pop them off the stack, all right? So we don't have to worry about escaping. There's no trickery. There's no weirdness there. If we run this example, oh, I wrote to the file. If we run this example, you can see your name is Dave. It works exactly how we expected it. And if you're in this situation, if you find yourself in the situation where you're nesting command substitution, take a step back and think, is this really what I want to be doing, okay? So I'm going to show you the based way. The absolute based way is we just throw all of that out and we just accomplish the same thing. By getting rid of the echo command, we're saving it to a variable. We don't need echo. Echo is redundant. And then what are we doing here? We know that the who am I command, we can just get $all caps user. Bash has this built in. You can look at the man page. You can find all these variables. We run this. Bam, your name is Dave. So much easier, no backticks. So again, the base way to use backticks is don't use backticks at all. Have a good one.